I'm gonna show you how to add blog thumbnails in your Squarespace. So to get started, all you have to do is just go to your squarespace.com and then sign into your account. And then from here you have to go to home, and then you can see it on the website, and then go to pages. And then right here all you have to do is just go to blog next. And then once you're in the blog, you just have to create a new blog or blog page, or if you wanted to rename one, you can just click on the settings right beside the project. So from here, just gonna click on this one, or you can add a blog news spot in the plus button right here. So from here, you just have to click on settings, and then you just have to remove the image and then upload a new one in your desktop or wherever you want. So from here, you just have to wait and then upload this one. You have to select the image first and then click on upload. And then once it's done loading up, it will just show you the image or the PNG or the thumbnail that you wanted to. So from here, all you have to do is just click on save right above here. And once you're done, all you have to do is refresh the page, and there you go. That's how to add a blog thumbnail in your Squarespace.